Alright, welcome back to some Welcome back to some scuffed Pokemon card openings. This time it's not going to be as scuffed or sussy because we do not have Braden or Tyler, but we actually have my brother who hasn't been in a lot of my videos. But today we're doing something a little bit different. We went to Walgreens and a Dollar General that were next to us, and we bought out, what are these, like extreme value packs or whatever, of 4 each of these, like Ryan showed, 4 each of these, and we're just going to be opening them. So we have this sorted between the 3 of us, me, Celine, because she's always with me from now on, and Ryan. And I will go first.
You made it sound like I'm like gonna stalk you forever.
I know, right?
I just live with you, man. Sorry.
And I will be opening these 3. And then we have something a little bit at the end of the video. But first we're going to be starting out with these. These, from what I can tell, are not made by Fairfield, but these definitely are. Everyone's favorite company, Fairfield. Alright, let's go ahead and get right into these. Yeah. Or just get like one of the Dollar General bags that we got. Yeah, so. Alright, so let's go ahead and get through these. We have Circhester Bath, Grass Energy, Fighting Energy, Cherish Ball, pretty cool, Tag Switch, Arbok, Kakuna, Hatena. Actually, since these aren't really like going to be worth anything anyway, we're just going to go ahead and go through it a little bit. And yeah, if you would give me back that pack actually real quick. This contained 20 cards and 1 foil card, and foil card obviously isn't great, so there's that. Now we will get into the packs made by Fairfield. But these ones, I have a feeling, are actually kind of better, in my opinion, better than some of the other products that Fairfield make, mainly because these come with a pack for the extremely high price of $11 from the dollar store. So go ahead and rip right into these, and right off the bat we can already see that some of these cards are backwards. Oh, let's go ahead and just flip these around. Yeah, we'll go through these one by one.
Since you have 2, you should wait to open the packs until you.
Yeah. I feel like these Great Balls are older cards, but I can't really tell. Snover, Shingle Strike, Grookey, yep. Everything else is going to be upside down, I guess.
How did you get actually something good out of these?
I doubt it. Bunch of energies, Electabuzz, bunch of other energies, and these are the 2, I guess, rare cards in their case. Cool Dusknoir card, I like it, and then a reverse holo Rattata.
Rattata.
Is that like Galarian?
Alolan. And then let's go ahead and take the Evolving Skies pack out of there and do that last. And then opening the second one. Oh, I should also mention, I don't know if I pointed this out, 1 pack, 30 cards, 2 foil, and 1 bonus card. So what was the bonus out of this?
Probably the other holo.
No, because it's 2 foil, which was the Dusknoir and the Alolan Rattata.
There was another foil in there, please.
No, this was the only other foil, which was from the other pack. I genuinely do not know what the special card was, but I don't really care. Yeah.
The bonus card is what the machine decided to give you.
Exactly. Alright, let's crack open the second pack, and I can already tell that there's only 1 card in this that is backwards.
They're all upside down, by the way.
Not all of them are. We'll just go through them because I doubt... Oh, that's a toy Torchic I can give Tyler. Just go ahead and go through them because Cynthia. I think there'll be anything too great. Altaria, Heracross, Metatite, Cottony, Psychic Energies, Energies. Alolan Vulpix, Celine might like that, and a Caterpie.
Yes.
So these are the 2 foil cards that we got. And
Man, these things are shit.
yeah, I know. And the special card, I do not know what it was. But now, the only good things about these packs, the Evolving Skies packs. Without wasting any more time, we can finally get to opening these, which I am still really bad at opening.
I'm taking off objects right now.
Kevin could probably care less. Those are not good cards. I see what you mean by Fairfield. Kevin. Oh my gosh.
I know. I am not good at opening these.
This card is
I wonder what that symbol's from, because I haven't seen it yet.
like the special add-on card.
Green card, or green code, let's go. Damn Eevee.
You ain't getting nothing.
Snowleaf badge, Appleton, yep.
Wait, go back.
What up?
One of the ones near the end looks really cool. Oh, that one right there.
Oh, the
Oh, that's
Hypno.
nothing good.
Yeah. Move that back because I'm hitting it. Alright. Now
Kiss
the
this
last...
one.
I'm not kissing it. Last pack from me to open.
We get to watch him open it 5 minutes.
Yep.
Give it to me.
If you struggle with it, maybe it might be good.
I struggled with the last one, it wasn't good.
Hey.
This one-
Oh, white code.
Exactly.
We actually have a good chance of getting
Do
something
that,
out of this
do
one.
that thing.
3, 4. Obviously, card trick is 4 for Evolving Skies. We have Dark Energy, Rubber Gloves, Floette, Boost Shake, I almost said Boot Snake, Litleo, Chinchou, Dino, Toy Pumpkaboo,
Come on.
Carvana,
Come on.
Reverse Hollow Hoppip, and a Dracozolt V.
Is that good?
Not really. This is like probably a
I think I
dollar
gave you my
card.
Can I have it?
Dracozolt.
You did not.
I'm pretty sure
You did not.
I'm pretty sure I
It was a Hydreigon.
Can I
did. Was
have
it
it?
Hydreigon?
Yes. You confused it because I said I wanted that Hydreigon card and you gave me the Dracozolt. Stop.
My turn?
Obviously, I'll be sleeving this because I sleeve all the Vs and stuff.
Yeah, let me take this.
And because this is Evolving Skies, I'm putting it in an Evolving Skies sleeve. First good thing we got out of this. Putting it back there.
Wow.
And
Yeah.
Don't forget to take your book.
Not bad so far. Well, I mean, it's pretty bad so far. And at the end of the video, you can probably already see it right there. But we have 3 tins open that are not by Fairfield, but by that actual Pokemon company. This is Pokemon Power, I guess, tins. Now, let's get on to Ryan.
Alright, so I got this pack, or I got 2 of these and 1 of the Evolving Skies. So I'm going to start with these ones. Why?
Oh, and while he's opening this, if you want to support us, the best thing you can do is like and subscribe the video.
Don't forget, in the description, you can join our Discord.
Yeah, that too. And
For
links to Ryan's or DSU's Reaper, as you probably know him, or Don't Feels Good,
Don't
will be
I
down in
Don't
the
Feel
description
Good.
as well.
Don't feel as good.
Can I just rush through these?
Yeah,
What is that?
that's Reverse Hollow.
Oh. Is
Yeah.
that their two foil cards?
Are those foil? No. No, because these ones you only get 1 foil and 20 cards.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, well, starting off very crappy.
Oh shit, I'm not doing my job.
Come on, woman.
I'm a horrible garbage woman. I must call myself a garbage bitch.
All right.
Here's your foil.
Ooh.
Oh, plasma colorless energy. Those are kind of hard to find nowadays.
You said I must leave it.
I say that and I'm probably going to be... Oh, yo.
Shiny.
That is not shiny. That is a...
Old-fashioned.
XY Evolutions, I believe, reprint.
Reprint, so it's not good.
I mean, they're still kind of hard to find, so
I
that's
also
pretty cool to
have
pull.
that.
Let's leave it. Always leaving those. Oh, another one.
That is...
Oh, and another one. Oh, and another one. Oh, and another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
Oh, wait.
I
You
got a
might
lot
want
of
to go
them.
through those, but I'm pretty sure those are all reprints.
Okay, so we got Diglett. We got Seal. Got whatever name that is. Got Ponyta. Poliwag. Fat.
Yeah, Fat Pikachu.
Voltorb. And Charmander. I actually kind of want these.
By all means.
You open them, you keep them.
You can have this one, though. I don't want it. Well, actually, yeah, I kind of want it. Alright.
Now for the actual good thing.
Alright, now time for this shit show.
Oh, I can also
Oh my
lower the camera
God.
down a little bit if you want.
This is terrible. I'm just gonna go through these.
Funny skinny.
Oh my god.
I like how they can't, like, package things correctly. A bunch of energies, and then your foil cards, I'm guessing, at the end. Yep.
2 foil cards.
It's got its tongue sticking out.
Alright, do you want me to open my foil or wait for Celine to open hers?
I mean, I opened mine,
You can go ahead.
so just go ahead and open yours.
You opened your foil? Or your tin?
No,
No.
you still have the...
Oh! I forgot I had that. My bad. I was talking about my tin when I said foil.
Tins will do at the end.
Alright, there you go. Shout out to Celine. No reason, just shout out. I think you just suck.
I think I just do suck. Oh, white code.
He goes, I think he just sucked.
So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. I just bent the crap out of that energy card. We got that energy, that guy, that girl, that guy's, this dude. Oh, I have this guy on Pokemon Go. He's OP. Please, for the love of God, get something good. Oh!
Eevee.
Evolution
No,
card.
Did I say Eevee? I'm still
You
Alright,
did
well,
say
give me an Evolution Skies sleeve.
Yeah.
I'm keeping this card, I hope you know that.
I know.
Is it any good?
Yeah.
We don't have Tyler the check
One of the evolutions.
we don't have Tyler the price check man here to
I'll put everything up on screen, so.
You want me to grab a knife so we can just
Alright, so this is what I have. Sorry for cutting you off, Ryan. We'll go through the funny card pack first.
I like how you can't open them on camera.
Kevin, because nobody wants to sit there and see somebody struggle with
That's
opening
the whole
stuff.
point of.
That's cute.
Oh, hold on. Before you go any further, I am going to lower down the camera a little bit.
Celine, I'm using your knife, I assume?
Oh, that's Kevin's. I got that for him.
I'm just going through the boxes. Find any. Which one is this?
This is her 20 pack in one foil.
Ryan left all of his cards over
Oh,
here.
good lord.
Sorry.
All good. We're moving on to Evolving Skies. One of my favorites. Why can they not get their packaging right?
Why don't you show it on camera?
Because I want to, like, fix it so bad. That Pikachu card, though. Sorry for leaving a mess of my cards.
Good. Striker, yep. Then a bunch of energies. And then your foil cards at the back. Or a foil card at the back. I can't remember. Yeah, 2 foils. Them being Cosmoem and Tentacool. Right. Anyway.
This, please.
Last thing for Celine to open before we get on to the
My
tins
Sylveon
is a
Evolving
Sylveon.
Skies pack.
Yep.
Please, Sylveon. Bless this for me.
Are you trying to get
Nice.
Sylveon to bless you?
Maybe.
Celine just freaking ruined her pack.
White
Oh. 4 to the front.
Thank you.
Imagine she messed it up so bad that the rare card at the end doesn't even show up at the end. Because you kind of opened that and everything just slid out.
I'd probably, like, cry. Yo!
Oh!
I gained it back!
Okay. So,
So what is that?
that's...
The Leafeon
The Leafeon.
VMAX.
So, these packs, in
They're not
general,
bad.
they weren't bad. Mainly because the,
They weren't made by.
No, the Evolving Skies things were from
Hey, we all
Fairfield.
got
I call
something
going
from
first one,
Evolving Skies.
You do?
Yeah.
Alright. We are now moving on to the tins. And yes, I do need it. Thank you.
Show it on camera.
It doesn't matter. Well, I had it a little bit too close to the camera there. And I'm not a type of person to save the shrink wrap on it. Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, let's pop this baby open. And as soon as we do pop it open, if I can get this out. And this actually wasn't what I was expecting. The, what was it? Pokemon Power? Yeah. Pokemon Power is like the little ability type thing that usually is right here. I thought the cards that were going to appear in these tins were going to have Pokemon Powers, but I guess not. So, that Snorlax is kind of a waste. But it did come with 3 packs, which we got Vivid Voltage, and Rebel Clash. Some of the sets that I personally like a lot. Thanks for making a bunch of noise. Not really. Alright, let's get started with opening Vivid Voltage. Yo, I opened that one first try, unlike literally everything else. And it's a white code.
Let's go.
2, 3, 4.
You sure?
Yes. It's Vivid Voltage. Water Energy, Pincurchin, Trumbeak, Nessa, Tyler's Waifu, Rockruff, Whismur, Trubbish, Tynamo, Clobbopussie, Reverse Hollow Eevee, and a Drapion V.
Oh, that's not bad.
So
Do
far,
you have that one yet?
no. So far, out of all of the actual packs, that we pulled. I keep knocking the camera, and I'm sorry. Each of the packs that we opened, we've actually managed to get something out of them, which is pretty great.
Except your one green code.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Except for the one green code, which I completely forgot about. Second, Vivid Voltage. Pray we get something good out of this one, too. Hello, Oshawott. And we got a green code, so let's just go ahead and skim. Got Oshawott Duskull, First Seed, Royal Lucandile, Mimikyu, Toucannon, it's a rare, Drone Rotom, all that great shit.
Great stuff.
Rebel Clash, and that would be the last of that tin for me. And it's green code. So, nothing's gonna get good out of this except for that Bunnelby that I can give to Tyler. Zacian card. Okay, something I don't have yet. Sonia, all that great stuff. Although I do want to keep the Zacian card because I don't have it yet. Now we have Ryan opening his tin.
Wow.
Probably.
Hold on. Keep hitting the camera, so we'll just do this off camera. Okay. So we've got a Darkrai?
Darkrai, yeah.
Darkrai tin.
See, okay.
So I have an ability card. I don't know what Kevin was talking about.
Never mind.
I think Kevin just got unlucky on that one. Is this worth keeping? Alright, goodbye Darkrai. I've got 2 Vivid Voltage, I think I get the same thing. No, 2 Vivid Voltage. Yeah, I got the same thing. And a Rebel Clash. So I'm going to just open the Vivid Voltage right now. This is what I get for making fun of you. Bad idea?
Yeah. That's some risky stuff.
I will bend this pack.
And it's a green code. I mean, you can still get something out of it.
No, I'm not going to.
It's just a really low chance.
I'm not going to bend the pack.
You got nothing.
Yeah, nothing. Alright, next Vivid. What is it called? Vivid Voltage. I'll do it again. You took it from me. How dare you? Please, for the love of God, be a white code. Oh, okay. Get
Them out of the way real quick.
4 to the front, right?
Yep.
We've got a Psychic Energy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Trumbeak. Sableye. Dewott. Whismer. Execute. Woobat. Beldum. Little.
Nikita in a full.
Oh! Alright, give me sleep.
Okay.
Not doing too bad. Oh, my bad, camera. I'm sorry. Alright.
We still don't have a good setup for these videos at all. So, apologies.
Well, that's
for
why they're
everything.
called.
Rebel Clash.
That's why they're called scuffed.
Yeah, exactly. They're called scuffed Pokemon card openings. Exactly. So, if anything, I should keep the current setup and just forget about literally everything else.
He's got another white code.
Well, that's cool.
It's kind of like what you had, but backwards.
Yeah.
Your green code was last, right?
I don't remember.
It was in the. Remember.
God.
All right, we've got
High pitch.
this energy. I don't know what this is.
Steel
energy. That thing. Metapod. Heat. Litwick. Holy coly. Applin, Hannah Montana, Trubbish, and a Ninetales V. Is that 4?
That is not.
Okay.
Did you give me that card?
I'm not doing too bad, guys.
No, I think
we
Brady
did
gave
good.
that
We
card.
did really good.
This will be our final tin, which is a Mimikyu. Alright, let's bust this bad boy out of here. Lovely Mimikyu card.
Wow, both of you got ability Pokemon and I didn't. I feel so left out. You want mine?
Put it down there. Alright, so we all had 2 Vivid Voltage packs and a Rebel Clash. Start with my big fat Pikachu.
Big fat frickin' Pikachu.
I can't believe I pulled that in that one video.
You pulled it on camera too, which is great.
Ooh.
White
Ooh.
code.
White code right off the bat.
4.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alrighty. Leaf Energy. Dusclops. Beauty. Shuckle. Drillbur. Whaler. Cottony.
Club of Pussy. Leon. Holo Trainer.
Mhm.
Not too bad, I guess. but-
Not the best, but also not like the worst. Alright. Other Vivid Voltage. There she goes. Green code. Shiza. Does he already have this card, Tyler?
Mhm.
Yeah.
He has like multiple of them. Hero Metal and Quagsire is your rare.
I'm gonna get a hero medal from your mom.
Very funny. I know I made your mom joke in I think the last video.
Alright,
Yeah.
last pack, which is the Rebel Clash. She don't want to open. Feisty little one, are we?
You're also super ref on that pack. Imagine you get something good out of it, but it's just bent to hell and back
Shit.
because you freaking went
Oh,
on the card pack.
see.
Knowing just your luck, it will be, and it's going to be bent to hell and back because you did that.
It's not gonna be bent to hell and back. How many is it?
It's 4.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dear Lord, please bless me with something good. Electrode, Beware, a Bronzor, Tuxel, Litwick, Lotad, Clefairy, Honage, and oh,
Copperaja.
I don't have this ones.